So today I got a little ghost with a balloon. It's going to take a little bit of gluing. And there we go, guys. We got a little ghost with a balloon. He's a little Halloween little guy. He's a Whoa. I also have a red balloon I printed to try out too. I don't know which balloon is cooler. They're both pretty neat. So yeah, like and subscribe if you enjoyed, and we'll see you later.